it. He's even put the car's code model name on it, 7.5. I don't think I've done a Leon on my channel, never mind Cupra. Bloody, I'm in Birmingham in a long time.
It's stage 1.
Is it?
Stage 1 ECU, stage 1 TCU. But if anybody asks, I'll say it's stock.
So much spin on it, innit? Are these all going in there? What's wrong with his car, G? He's got a GTI in the front, TDI in the back. What's it like living around here, honestly? First person perspective, because right, everyone in my comments will mock it.
Like, it's just banter, really, isn't it? Like, if I want to go, if I want to go Juices for Life, I'll go there. If I want to go to Lady Pearl Road, it's 2 minutes away. Coventry Road is right there. You get what I mean? I got Morrison's there. You can do what you want, really, isn't it?
I feel like one of them audit channels. Where you think it's got a nice community then, or what?
You get the few people in it. Like, you might drive past here, a few guys doing smart whips here around there. You get what I mean? But like, you won't find it in a white area, so it depends what you're after, really, isn't it?
Well, that's your selling point. Birds doing smart whip. What do you reckon to that? Do you like it?
What, that?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you not like it?
I don't mind it, you know. I think it's alright. I don't mind a subtle one like that. You know when it's halfway down the road, then it's a bit.
It's not aggressive. It's the same. Well, you don't get bored of this.
Keep it on, keep it on.
Yeah, sure.
Put it in second. Ah, man, we've been humbled. Boys, you're probably wondering what's all the fuss about this blueprint that I released last week. Last week, I released a course on how to step by step buy and sell cars and make consistent profit to do what I do. Drive a different car every day with no job. I've had a couple accusations saying it's a scam. Oh, it's a Forex scam. This is not a Forex scam. It's cash in hand. You choose how much you make and you take the cash. I don't even take a cut. It's also a very cheap price of 20 quid. What you get for 20 quid is a detailed document of what I use to car flip. I am profitable. This is literally the blueprint for it. I've even had people saying it's not worthy of a course. If you want to go down the long route and buy an Audi A3 for 10 grand just because the retail value is 15 grand and then you can't even sell it for 8 grand, then you be my guest and go down that long route. I've been down that route. You're not going to be able to make consistent profits just starting out. You're going to be making countless mistakes and losing money. Why would you not just go with my blueprint? It's only 20 quid and I tell you exactly which cars to buy and what not to pay over. It's been tried and tested and it works, bro. I'm driving a different car every day easily. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight. I've never once said that. But if you want to make consistent profit, because I'll be real, I don't have a job personally because I can't settle for getting paid 12 times a year. That just doesn't cut it for me. This is a real life side hustle. It's my main hustle, but I'm going to be realistic for you because you're starting out. Start as a side hustle. Just learn it once. £20, you learn it once and then you're good for life. If you can't afford 20 quid, I'll be honest, this is not for you because there is an upfront cost of buying your first car. That's why I highly recommend it for people who are already in employment or already got money coming in who want to further their income. This is not Forex. This is not overnight internet money. This is consistent profits. And yeah, that's just addressing a few of the comments. So make sure you press the link in the description and get involved, man. I hope that's cleared everything for you. It's just a blueprint of what I do and it works. There's no going wrong. Oh, bare Lambos in there. We look like knobheads. This is like a Yaris here.
Yeah, basically.
Where I'm from, you're the guy. Nah, don't worry, you're alright. You know what, I'll compare this to the Golf R, yeah, because I've driven that one a lot. I ain't driven many of these. It's more fun than a Golf R because it's a front wheel drive.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
It reminds me of a Scirocco R though, more than a Golf R, because obviously that's front wheel drive as well. Is that Cupra mode? This car sounds alright.
It's alright, isn't it?
Come on, boys, can you blame me? We're in Birmingham, we've got to get the proper experience. I'm giving you a genuine perspective of what it's like to be here and live here.
Take a left here.
Is it gay to indicate here? Because I feel like I'm the only one doing it. The bare nails and sheds here, innit?
Don't worry, take it.
Your car's on gums, bro, like my grandma. You know know what I'm saying? It don't even. I bet this doesn't go far as well on a rolling race. It's popping now, mate. Lot of Yaris's today, ain't there? I think you're a bit batty having it in eco. Why?
Keep it eco sometimes. I'll take this for a sec. Take this one. You're taking the Star City?
No. What's this Star City all about? Is it a nice place to go?
That's what you're after, mate.
It's really affluent here, isn't it? This Birmingham area. The road's got acne, man. It needs an E45. We've seen this. Sounds mad now, innit? Put it in normal, bro, because it's gonna be a bit hot. You know the thing with this is, you know when you drive it around normal, it still feels like a sport car. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Where if you drive a Golf out about normal, it don't really. It just feels like a normal Golf. But a GTI don't feel like that. You get me? A GTI feels sporty all the time. This feels more like a GTI.
Would you say Would you say GTI is better than a Golf?
Driving wise, yeah, I'd prefer a Golf R because that's just my taste in it. But if we're talking about what we're on about now, like driving it about, probably GTI.
I feel like Golf R's too common though, man.
Yeah, but who gives a fuck? I'm just talking about the car by itself.
Yeah.
Bit tight that, mate. But you know, like every time, last time I came to Brom, someone swiped my mirror. And then I went to Birmingham, someone nearly took the car out. Whoa! Whoa! Which is why, boys, we've stayed a bit out of the affluent areas today, innit? Oh, here we are. We've come out of beautiful sunny Allen Rock and looks like a 140's already been here. I get some nasty looks, you know.
What? With the GoPro?
Yeah. Don't think people like me, cause that's beautiful bit of architecture, innit? That's alright, innit? Look at that, boys. What you reckon? This is a nice back road, this, mate. Whose driveway is this? Let me guess, down there now, yeah. What is this? Private land or something?
Yeah, this is like a little hill, like a
nice one, a shit hill. But the Cupra has got hill assist, mate. So luckily, there's not much anxiety turning around on this hill. Can you get down from there? No.
Go back that way.
Fuck's sake. Visible. What's up?
Well, that is closed. It's closed.
It's closed up there. Yeah.
Closed.
Now I've got anxiety because everyone's coming down. No one's coming. No one's coming. I don't see nothing. See, we're fine. We're fine. People be flying down here. Oh great, now I have to see everyone that's just giving me a dirty look. I was gonna tell them it's shot, but they gave me a bit of a dirty look when I came up, innit? Giving me evils, bro. They can go down and see the closed gate, they can f themselves. Cause a 10-car pile up down there, I don't give a f. How'd you end up? You're doing balloons in a Fiat 500?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yo.
I thought it was a bird, he had long hair as well. Then I saw LV beanie. Birmingham's different, man. You'd think we've come out the postcode a bit. It's a bit.
It's like nice area, nice hills.
I want to know how he's even ended up with a black Fiat 500. Who's he nicked that off? Is this actually a nice road or is it shit?
You're gonna love it.
You said that with the last one. I saw a bloke doing balloons in a Fiat 500. gets there quick, doesn't it, to 60? You know what, yeah? If I had a Fiat 500, I'd probably drive it on balloons as well. You get more of a buzz out of it. What do you reckon? I think that amount of pops is alright. Yeah. You got to remember, I'm downshifting as well, innit? But I think on a normal day, that's an alright amount. It don't do more than 4 or 5. Just a quick... That's it. You know what I'm saying? Get the true experience. I've never seen an Asian guy driving a Fiat 500. There's Andrew Tate's in the car in front. I'm not sure if you can see on camera. Andrew Tate's in Brum, mate. He's in the Tayron. That's actually him. I'm not even saying, oh, it looks like that's the same bloke. I thought he had Bugatti and that, you know. He's trash. I knew it was a rental. He hired it, innit? I knew he's from Brum. Tate's going for a shag. Tate's gonna hit the one-way gate. He needs to put his nitros in the Fiat's engine. He might get more power out of it. Shall I let it off? Bastards popping and banging, mate. This Mazda behind wants some, you know. Mazda 3 1.6 pay. It's popping now, innit? You know what I mean? It's definitely got more character than a Golf R driving it about normally. To truly have fun in a Golf, you gotta be at the top end. Pushing like 130, 140 on there, yeah. That and there's launch control, but that's it really. It's a straight line car. This one I feel like you can chuck it about, still have a bit of a buzz, you know what I'm saying? Alright, what's the deal with these lot then? She actually need money. I haven't even got any change on me. I would give her something. You got Binance? Crypto? Klarna. She don't take Klarna, bro. She don't even talk English. I ain't got no change to give her. They should give them, innit, homeless lot. They should give her, I don't know if she's homeless, but people without a house and that, they should give them a like a card reader, innit?
Last year there was a chase in it.
Yeah.
There was like a comment, you know, spotted?
Yeah.
So the guy is driving an Audi S3 now. There's a helicopter out. You know, Anna Brock roundabout where we just were.
Yeah.
The helicopter out. Everyone came here, you know, with their cars. He parked the car under that bridge there, so the helicopter can't see him. He went in someone else's car. He left the S3 there.
Fucking James Bond was driving it.
This bridge here.
And that's quick thinking. That's thinking on the go.
There's a bridge. What? Like, no one can see it.
It looks like he's getting ready to do long jump. Turning his traction off.
Don't give him money and spit on you.
Yo, let's have a race. Yo, there's another guy. Why don't you just walk forward? Why don't you just turn around and see where you're going? Why the f*** are you reversing for? You're a person, bro. What is he trying to do? A jump start? As kids, we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Knots or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at RizzyElbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello.